what day is today? It's good, guys. Happy Tuesday, podcast day. So, up this morning, about to head to, actually, I'm about to head to Newberry Street. We have a sign job that we have to do. Well, actually, is it sign decal? So decals we gotta put on. I always mess up. I should have recorded some content of the preparation work. Actually, maybe I did, but not like I would want to. But either way, you'll get to see it. The final product set up. It's on Newberry Street, in Boston. I have the podcast is releasing at 3 today. It's actually, you'll see it when it releases. So I got the podcast. Doing a podcast tour with Jabir. We're gonna present all that to you guys. What else? And that's it, man. Right now I'm listening to what is it? The YouTube channel Think Media. I'm listening to one of their YouTube videos about how to title the YouTube subtitles, whatever. Cause I just be giving y'all the name, like I give y'all the cheesiest, wackest name. But I guess like even the name could allow you to click on the video depending on how I write the name. So just being aware of that matters, you know what I mean? Having that knowledge. And it's free gems because sometimes it's like you can't know everything. So you got to always be feeding this right here. So that's what I'm doing. And I actually got a couple things from it. Now I just got to come up with beautiful names. Our podcast is now on YouTube, so I added the first 2 videos of the year on YouTube. It's just like audio videos, but you get to listen to it on YouTube, so hopefully that matters. We're still working on getting you guys video visuals. That's coming soon. Got a lot going on, man. So right now I got to continue getting ready to go to Newberry Street and make it happen, and I will see you guys later. Okay, guys, so we're here. On Newberry Street, about to go make it happen. And yeah, that's where we at with it. Oh, is it there? So basically, I guess these 3 windows. Gas. Window 1, 2, 3. Say hi to everybody. So it's these 3 windows? Yeah. So how do you get down there? From here? You gotta get down there from here? You gotta hop over. Oh, you enter from here, I guess. Alright. So we're about to get to work, man. I'm gonna holler at y'all. The blueprint of what we're working on. This is on the outside. Alright, y'all lit. Y'all get to witness the whole process.
Are you on live or just video?
Recording.
I meant it live, we'll say video. I feel like I've had 2 things at once.
Get your phone and record live. This is my video, man.
Damn.
Gangs.
Can't get
You got me swearing and stuff.
That's what I'm saying. I can't get on.
I don't even know what this is.
Come on, man. I can't do it. Bobby said me on pile. C'est dans son affaire.
Na ghetto, man. No, na ghetto.
Il va essayer, oui. Yeah.
You can get on that side, no? What's that side look like?
No, but who won?
No, you have it's tall. Yours is tall. Yours is live, right?
Alright,
what you want? You want me to put it on this side? Alright, let me put it on this side. This might be better. It might be better on this side.
You're gonna get a full view.
This side. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. Right there.
Alright.
So guess what, guys? This little, what's the word? What's those words? Anyways, I don't have the words, man. I need to work on my dictionary.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
What are you asking me?
Like there was a, not dilemma.
No, it's cold, the vinyl.
I know I'm about to explain it to them, but I wanted to use this particular word that I know, but I don't know off the top of my head right now.
Bro, I'm out, man. That nigga's tripping.
But anyways, we had a little issue because of the weather, the vinyl. So when it comes to putting vinyl, there's like sticky vinyl, there's like wet application, there's like dry application, there's different variations, but the temperature matters too. And because we took a little bit too long, not even a little bit too long, let's just say the vinyl got cold and it wasn't sticking to the glass like it should. Once the temperature goes back down or whatever the case is, it's gonna be perfectly fine and just be good forever or whatever. So our technique towards removing it had to change. So I went from going side to side to now going down, but you just gotta improvise and make sure you do what it do. And now we have this final masterpiece right here. Let me share it with y'all. Everything looks good, everything perfect. Nothing will come off, period. It's made to last. To remove it, you gotta use, I'm in his way. Now you, So, either way, this looks great. Work done by this guy right here. Get a nice little. Yo, look at my camera. Lit. So yeah, this is where we at, man. Alright, now it's cold. I gotta get in this car and get ready to go. Alright.
So every shoe is handmade and made to order.
Wow.
And then we do like free shipping, free returns. And the whole thing is like creating a connection between a cobbler in Guatemala and a customer.
Wow.
So yeah, I mean it's a startup. Like this is just starting out.
How many locations?
Huh?
How many locations there?
Just this one. Usually we're at like SOA and like all those markets. Like we're at Brooklyn Flea and
It's so cold outside. We were outside for like an hour and some change. It's freezing. My hands, runny nose and everything. Oh! I'm sorry, man, for yelling. Yeah, about to get ready to go to the store. It's 11:06, so perfect timing type deal. About to probably get a coffee. I need one this time around. Trying to stay away from that, but I don't like hot. I never had hot tea. Yeah, coffee. Get the day started, man. I didn't even know they had a Patagonia. Blueberry Street. FJ Raven, whatever that is. There's all these unique stores out here. That's what's dope about Newberry. Survival of the fittest. Alright, y'all. So I'm gonna head out, man. We'll talk to y'all when we're at the store. Guys, my life is shits right now because it's snowing outside, and let's just say my car isn't built for the snow. So my car is fighting the snow right now. It's not even that high, but I guess the slushiness is creating traction and the tires, and what a ride this is gonna be, but it just started snowing around like 4:40 today. And I'm leaving the shop at like 7:50. My partner was smart, he left a little bit earlier. I was waiting for a customer, so I decided to wait. Mind you, while waiting for the customer at like 7:30, I was like, let me give this customer a call. And they said they're coming late, so probably tomorrow. And yeah, now I'm driving home, and I hate moments like this because I have to deal with the chaotic snow controlling my vehicle. Let me give you some light. The chaotic snow controlling my vehicle from time to time, whether it's like a lane switch or a full stop that leads to lack of control of the vehicle. It just sucks, but gotta do it. Gotta get home, right? I can't sleep at the store. So I mean, you know, I guess goals are to get better tires, you know, newer car. And the thing is, it doesn't snow every day, but when it does, you got to be prepared for it. But nothing you can do, you know. Once you're in the situation, you got to handle it with stride. So right now, I'm just driving my little 15 miles per hour. I'm going to get home. I'm going to get home safe, y'all. Back then, I used to be like, when I was younger or less experienced, I used to like drive a little faster, or if the car's giving me full, like, you know, opportunity, meaning like it's gliding, it's going, just drive. But now, ain't nobody got time for that. So I'll be doing my, what is it, 15 to 20. If you want to go in front of me, go ahead, by all means. I'm gonna get home today. You know what I mean? I make sure I'm not driving too slow where people are gonna potentially get into accidents, but I make sure I'm doing a speed that I know that if anything says hello, any piece of snow or anything, I'm not gonna be like, hello, you know? So that's it. Other than that, you know, released a new podcast episode today, so that was cool. It was with me and my partner Jabir from Villeside Customs, so that was cool. So it's like I did a podcast with me and my partner Rue, and then me and my partner Jabir, so that was cool. So make sure y'all go listen to it, and as you will figure out, we're basically on a podcast tour where I came up with the idea a couple months ago, and I guess I just put it in effect, you know. So every month we're gonna try to go on a podcast. It's gonna be all year round. It's gonna be for the year 2021. So for 12 months, 12 podcasts. If anything changes, and if it's like something that we feel like is cool and we're able to control, because we don't want to like be overwhelmed. If we're able to do it, we'll do 2 podcasts maybe in a month, or give or take. So that's how we're doing it right now. But other than that, man, just cooling. About to head to the house. I got the Valentine's Day hoodies still out on the website for Villeside Customs. Rue got the Cruising Views. He's pushing that joint right there. And we just at the store, man, taking your orders, making sure your items are getting done. Right now, I still haven't posted a TikTok. I'm excited about that. Earlier today, while I was waiting, I decided to, for some reason, I came up with some bars, you know, like a little jingle. It was rap, but it was a little jingle for Villeside Customs, so that was something cool that I did. It was off the top of my head. I didn't share with anyone. I might. But with that being said, I do have plans to utilize my Epidemic Sound platform, because it has like a lot of instrumentals. So I have plans to utilize maybe the platform to come up with like maybe a quick 1.5-minute snippet, like for a commercial or something, you know? Being that those songs are songs you can use. I'm gonna do my research and see if there's songs I can use for anything, but why not? want to say also shout out to Tom Brady for what he's doing, or he did, because that grown man went to the league, did his thing, been doing his thing, taking pay cuts, went to another team, still not getting paid what he probably deserves, and he's to the Super Bowl. So, gotta put respect where it's due. At this point, I can't see people being mad, like having questions or second guessing anything. I ain't knocking it though. People will do what they do. They never seem to surprise. You know what I mean? But I'm with it, man. Right now I'm headed to the crib, like I said, probably for the 50th time. And it was cool chopping it up with y'all. I gave y'all a nice little convo. This is my life, my life, my life.